First you will need to unscrew and remove the hex screws that hold the plate, using an Allen key. This plate is located on the bottom of the pole. Insert the pole into the base of the stand, then flip the entire assembly over. Place the plate onto the bottom of the stand and align the plate with the holes. Grab the screws that you previously removed and screw them into the plate. Please ensure that these screws are firmly screwed in. Place the stand upright and adjust the lock rings to a suitable height. Tighten the lock rings with hex screws. Ensure these are tight so that the rings will not move. Attach the basket onto the hex screws. Put the handle in a suitable place, then using the hex screws, secure the handle into place. Remove the 4 hex screws from the top of the pole. The plates will come packaged together. Separate them simply by pulling the pin down and sliding the top plate out. Then attach the bottom socket plate to the top of the pole by using the hex screws previously removed. Ensure these are secured firmly into the pole. Remove the screws out of the bottom of your Aquarius and align the top plate with the holes on the monitor. Make sure to keep these screws, if you wish to take your monitor off the stand. Using the supplied longer screws, lock the plate into place. Please ensure that these screws are tight, to ensure that the monitor does not move. Pull the pin that is on the bottom plate and slide the Aquarius on, until you hear a click. This means that your monitor is securely in place. To remove the unit off the stand, simply pull the pin down and slide the unit off. To mount the bigger Northern monitors, mount the top plate to the bottom of the unit. Then using 4 hex screws secure the plate into place. Slide the plate onto the stand. Make sure to pull the pin down and release and wait for the click.